Hello, Art12. Once you are finished drawing all 4 final drafts, the guitar, the fish, the plant, and the hand, you're going to decide which one you want to do for your final draft. At the top of your Developing Your Theme Negative Space Drawing worksheet, which is inside of your Negative Space Drawing Unit packet, you're going to write down your chosen drawing. So let's say I'm going to do the hand and I'm going to do the peace sign. So I would just write hand. Or if you're choosing the guitar, write guitar. If you're choosing fish, write fish. If you're choosing the plant, write the plant. Then you're going to come up with at least 10 ideas that could relate to your chosen object. You're coming up with 10 possible themes to go with the hand or the guitar or the fish or the plant. So I could do peace. I could do world peace. I could do the 1960s. I could do hippie love and peace. I could do conflict of ideas of war and peace. I could do inner peace. I could do let's see, and that's more personal. I could do world symbols that mean peace. I could pick a specific war. So the peace sign kind of came out during the Vietnam War. So maybe I could pick that one, or I could pick, a different war to go with. I could pick the opposite of peace, of social and political conflict. So if you want to do a social issue or a political issue, that might go along with the peace sign, especially if it's the opposite of. I could also do maybe protests, because that was a sign that they used during protests in the 60s often. So you're going to write down your own. Do not copy mine. You're going to write down whatever 10 ideas you can come up with for the guitar or the plant or the fish, or if you're going to do the hand, whatever your hand gesture is. You might have to do some research. Out of here, I'm going to pick my favorite 3. So 3 of them. So I'm going to pick hippie love peace, war and peace, and maybe inner peace. Those are my top 3. And then you have these thought bubbles, and you're going to identify those 3, and you're going to develop them further. So in the center, I'm going to write each one. So this one is hippie, love, peace, war and peace. And then on the back, I'm going to do inner peace. Okay, so those are my 3 ideas that I'm picking. Then I'm going to think of like pictures or images that would go along with this idea, and I'm going to write that into the little thought bubbles. So if I'm doing hippie love peace, I might choose like a flower, the peace sign. So if you want to draw a picture, you can. I could do hearts. I might do maybe like a dove, which symbolizes love and peace, an olive branch, let's see, maybe like So the kind of hippie movement was moving out west into a more progressive area. Lots of festivals kind of happened. Oh, I could do Woodstock, something with Woodstock. All right, so then War and Peace. I might still do the peace sign because some of these you might use more than once. Perhaps I would use like an atomic bomb explosion. To show war. I might use tanks to show war. But I might also use the olive branch again because that is a symbol for like extending peace to your neighbor, extending peace to someone else. I might look up peace symbols in other cultures or peace symbols around the world and see if I can find something else. I'm going to include probably a flower to represent rebirth or growth as a world. And then perhaps I would do another war one that's not blood, weapons, etc. Maybe I do soldiers, like an outline of them. So you're thinking of pictures that could go with this idea. For my last one, it's more personal. So I'd be thinking of things that bring me inner peace, things that kind of calm my spirit. I'm going to say books, like reading. I'm going to say forest, the outdoors. For me is camping. So I might do a tent. I'm going to find like a peace symbol that's not your standard one. Like maybe I'm thinking like a lotus flower or something of that sort. I'm going to do like a paintbrush because sometimes you get all involved in like a process of something and it's peaceful. For me, that can sometimes be painting. And the last one, I would find something that represents sleep. Because to me, if I get enough sleep, I feel better internally. I'm more peaceful. I'm less agitated. Okay, so from there, you're going to pick your favorite theme. So would I want to go with hippie love peace, war and peace, or inner peace? And I'm going to go with this one. So I'm going to start it. This is my favorite one. If I can think of more things, I might add on to it. And so then in the next video, we're going to talk about taking what you wrote down as pictures or images and turning them into patterns that go along with your theme. So that will be in the next video. So today, or in this part of the video, you just need to come up with your themes. Again, you're not copying me, you're coming up with your own. And you might have to do some research if you're not very creative as far as themes go, but we would have brainstormed in class and you guys have these possible themes. So you guys will have possible themes for the guitar, the fish, the plant, the hand. So we would have already filled this out and you can pick from here as well. Okay, good luck.